And basically what we're going to do today is get the boards installed on the truck here and show you just how sturdy they are and how awesome they look when they're, mounted up on the truck here. Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Ryan with Hemifam, back with another awesome video for you guys. Today I have a really cool one. The awesome people at iArmor were nice enough to send us out a set of their iArmor aluminum running boards for the 2009 to 17 Dodge Ram 1500 quad cab. And basically what we're going to do today is get the boards installed on the truck here and show you just how sturdy they are and how awesome they look when they're, mounted up on the truck here. So let's do that, guys. But before we get into it, we do have another video that we did installing the iArmor running boards on this same truck here. So what we're going to do today is get those running boards off and swap them out for these new sweet aluminum ones, and they're like a matte black finish. So let's do that now, guys. We'll get the truck pulled in here. We'll show you the box here, what they look like when you get them from the manufacturer. And we will put a link in the video description on where to get these particular products that we're going to be installing. So let's do that now, guys. Okay, guys. So once you place your order, UPS is going to come to your door and drop off this ginormous box here. So now for the fun stuff. We'll pop the top off. And this is what you're gonna get and what they look like in the box here. As you can see, they're a nice sturdy aluminum in the black. So it's gonna look really nice here when they're installed on the truck, being that the truck is kind of like a billet silverish color. So it's gonna look really nice, guys. I'm super excited to get these on here. See what else we got in here. So here we have all of our hardware and the instructions, everything nicely packaged in here for a nice, good, clean, easy install, guys. Okay, so since this truck already has the iArmor running boards installed, a different version, the first thing we're gonna do is take these ones off to get the new ones on. Okay, so here we are laying out all the hardware and the brackets so we can get these mounted up here. Another thing to watch out for when you are installing this kit is all the brackets will clearly be marked passenger side or driver side. So be sure that you are using the right brackets when installing, the passenger and driver side steps, and you guys will be good to go. Alright guys, first off, let me show you how to properly install the brackets that go in the middle and rear section of the truck. First off, pull back the protective tape layer up here at the top. This will give us access to drop the brackets into place and get them lined up. And be sure you use the method that we are using here. That way you don't drop any brackets in the truck panel here and have to go fishing for them later. This will ensure you can easily line up the bolts, get them tight, and finish off by installing the plastic piece on this section here, and you can then move on to the next steps. When working in the front of the vehicle, you will not need the bracket that we just showed you how to install due to the fact the truck already has pre-installed mounting hardware installed for you to mount the running board brace that you are seeing here. And just get the bolts hand tight at this point. We are going to be installing another brace that attaches to the piece we just installed and the side of the truck here, just to keep everything sturdy and firm. Once we get everything in place, we'll then tighten everything down and get it where we want it to be. Okay, we can now finish mounting up the rest of the hardware here. And once you have it all mounted up, take your socket and make sure all the bolts are tight. The ones holding the bracket and brace, make sure they are nice and snug. And once you complete this step, do the same step in the middle section and the rear section of the vehicle, and you will then have your brackets and braces in place to mount the running board to the side of the truck here. And once you get the running board mounted up, you're pretty much good to go. Okay, now after you get your 3 brackets all mounted up, ready to rock and roll, you can pull out your step, and this is what's going to be the brackets that mount the actual board to what you see hanging off the truck here. So let's go ahead and do that now, guys. Alrighty, we are almost at the finish line. This is one of the last and final steps to do, is to mount these brackets to the truck. And one thing to keep in mind is before you fully tighten them down is you can position the side step a few inches left to right and really narrow down the position of where it rides on the truck and where you step in and out of the truck. So one thing to keep in mind before you fully get those bolts tightened down. And once you do, complete the same steps to the other side of the vehicle, and your steps will be ready to rock and roll, guys. Alright guys, we are all finished up with the running board install on this Dodge Ram 1500 pickup here. Time to pull it on out and check our work and see what you guys think of the install and this style of running board on the truck here. Be sure to check the video description for a link to order this running board that you just saw installed in this video here. And be sure to, check the video description for all of our social media links. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. And as always, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Peace. Alrighty, we are all finished up here with this iArmor running board install. Let's kind of do a little walk around so you guys can check them out and see what you guys think of how they look all mounted up. I think they look killer. I really like the aluminum metal design. As you can see, they're super sturdy. A nice place to put your foot getting in and out of the vehicle. They look really good on here. Very pleased with the install process of these, the quality and the way they looks. This iArmor product is really great, guys. You can find this in the video description, so check that out, guys. Really awesome product.